Here I have VIVO Y66 and let me show you top tricks on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start with the really powerful app, the iManager. Let's open the iManager, and here you can use this app, for example, to optimize just by clicking one button. The device will be in optimized state after this operation. That's it. The phone is ready. Here you can also use the space cleanup if you would like to clear the junk files, for example. Just tap delete and everything will be done. Alright, so that's it. Let's go for the second trick. Let me show you the shake to turn on the flashlight. It's really useful. Let's just find here the settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose here the smart motion, and here let's enable shake to turn on the flashlight. So now if you enable this feature, you can lock your device and just shake to turn on the flashlight, as you can see right here. Really useful. If you shake it again, or if you press the power key, you will turn off the flashlight. Really useful thing. Just shake to turn on the flashlight. Let's go for the third trick. So let me show you the smart wake. Let's open the smart wake. Here you can use the following list. For example, you can draw C to wake the dialer. It's really useful. If you press the power key, your phone is locked. You can just draw the C letter, and you will open the smart dialer. Alright, that's it. Now let's go for the next trick. Let me show you the eye protection. So now it's really good to protect your eyes by using the eye protection mode. Let's just swipe up right here, choose eye protection, and eye protection is activated. You can hold down or eye protection a little bit longer, and here you can adjust your eye protection by using the screen color. You can also set time, so you can switch on automatically eye protection, for example, from 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. That's it. Let me disable those features, and let's go for the last trick. Let me show you the tools on the Vivo. So let's open the tools folder, and here you can use the recorder, FM radio, or compass. The compass could be really useful. Let's just tap cancel in my case, and you can use the compass right here on your phone. This is really helpful. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.